What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP comes out with another how-to. Today we have a 2010 Jeep Liberty, and I'm going to show you how to take out your factory radio. Now, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, because this is what we do here. We do car audio tutorials, radio removals, and if you're interested in that, then you might want to join our little community. So today I'm not actually going to be installing a new radio. We're just taking this factory one out and we're putting in another factory. But since I am doing that, I want to show you how to take this out. So first thing you want to do is come down here to this part. Honestly, you don't really need your panel removal tool. This one seems like it's kind of flim, so we're just gonna do that part right there, lift it straight up. It's only held in by those clips. Now you want to come up here to the top. You don't have to take this little plastic thing out because it's just set down in there. There's no screws holding it, but you might want to use your panel removal tool and get in on this part. It's going to have a clip behind there, and that's going to be another clip behind there. Now, that's been that. There is another clip down here. This is not actual a panel clip like one that you will put on the panel. I'll show you what it looks like, but it's a little hard to get out. You just want to pull, but it does come off like that. So these were the clips that I was telling you about, the one that's at the bottom. They're not like a clip that you actually put on right here. It's one that's made into the panel. It's a little hard. Just be careful with it so you don't break it. Now, I don't actually have to move the shifter knob into the lowest position, because I can just move this down to where we can actually get our radio. But if you want to go ahead and take this out of the equation, you can move the shifter knob down that way by sticking the key in and moving it down, and then getting that all the way out the way. But this is what we want, and I have enough room to get here. 4 7 mils. This one's kind of quick. 4 7 mils. You can use a Phillip if you want to. Dang, I just dropped that hole. You can use the Phillips if you want to. I recommend you just use the 7 mil bolt because it's easier and you're less likely to strip it if you actually use the socket. And now we just have to take this thing out and disconnect the harnesses, and that's it. All right, guys, so I've disconnected those harnesses and antenna adapters from the other factory radio, and we're just going to put another factory in because he said this one was messed up. And I understand that I didn't actually go over any type of wiring because this is literally just a removal, but I will have cards in the description for you guys if you want to learn how to wire up your own CD player. Maybe you're putting in an aftermarket, but at least if you have a 2010 Jeep Liberty, you know how to take your factory out to install your new one. Happy install, guys. If you found any value in this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Till next time, this is your boy JP signing out.